So it's 6:30 and it feels way too early to be going to the gym. But here we are. Good morning, welcome to my little vlog week. It's 6:30 right now. I woke up around 6:10, 6 o'clock, just felt too early. Ended up not falling asleep until like 11 last night because of TikTok. But we are starting our day with a workout per usual. If you're new here, subscribe. I'm doing vlog week, today's day 2. So I'm about to make me some little energy drink and then I'm gonna go straight to the gym, and I think we're gonna really try on our arms today because they feel like they could use the attention. Slip our shoes on. I don't know why I leave my shoes over here. So I know this is random, I'm about to go, but I've woken up the past 2 nights from nightmares and I never really have bad dreams, but they've all been about people that I know turning into bad people and like trying to kidnap me or break into my house or something, and I cannot. I haven't slept very good the past 2 nights, so if you know what that means, let me know. Love this for me, major Ohio vibes. Not that bad, but still. This is how I look when I leave the gym. So cute, right? I mean, who wouldn't want this? This is how cute I look when I get back from the gym. Obviously just adorable. I look just so great with my soaking wet hair. Now we're gonna get back to our daily routine and take Daisy on a walk this fine morning. We just got back from our walk, and if you watched my vlog yesterday, you saw I made this giant green smoothie. This is the other half of it. It looks kind of gross, but I'm about to just chug this so it doesn't go to waste. Okay, so I just got out of the shower and I logged on to my computer for the day, but I don't feel like putting on makeup today. Like, it was just kind of pointless yesterday, so we're just gonna let our face do our thing today. And I need to put some Neosporin on this curling iron burn, but I did put on some necklaces just to feel like a girl. This is a necklace I got for Christmas. It's got my name on it. It's super pretty in gold. And then I don't know if I talked about this yesterday. I don't think I did. I got this butterfly necklace from a boutique called Blue Sparrow. I hate how you can just see my mouth right now. I got it from a boutique called Blue Sparrow. I got these matching little earrings right here that are little butterfly hoops. My friend and I got them to wear my other friend's wedding, and then it's funny, I actually got the big butterfly hoops for Christmas from there. So all butterflied out, and I got my little Target tie-dye set. Just did all my skincare stuff, and so I'm feeling all dewy, and then I'm about to do my hair care because my hair is like rough. I think we are gonna put on some Cloud perfume. Honestly, I just go through phases of what I want to wear, and this one smells so good. I wish I had like a spray bottle of it. And we're almost done with this nasty spinach juice water thing. It literally just tastes like dirty water, but we're gonna finish it out. Before we get started for the day, I'm gonna make myself some coffee, if I can get it in, a latte. I always feel like so awkward because you can see like everything is like straight up a mirror. I also have this yogurt I'm gonna try. It's 20 grams of protein with no added sugar, and yeah, that's just what I'm gonna try for breakfast. So many pods. I tried these the other day and I really like them. They're the Starbucks, the Pike Roast. Normally I'm not like a straight coffee person, but I think we're gonna do the Fortato today. Whoa. Just wanna say, if you like strawberry yogurt, this is incredible. I didn't think it was gonna actually taste good, but it is so good. So we're about to use our handy dandy cup. I guess I really could have just used this glass, but how beautiful are these glasses? I saw Casey Holmes has them too. They're from Williams-Sonoma. So pretty. So I'm working. It is like 10:10 right now, and I've just been working and stuff, but my friends and I actually just booked a trip to Nashville for March. I'm so excited. So if you have any recommendations of like things to do in Nashville, places to go, things to eat, things to see, places to shop, let me know, because we really only know like the typical like touristy places like the Gulch and downtown, Music Row, all that stuff. So if you know of like anywhere else that we should go, let me know. The hotel we're staying in, super nice. So I'm so excited. Okay guys, so it is like 11 and I have some time, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and make me some lunch. I'm trying to, you know, once again, eat a little bit healthier. So I think we're gonna make some salmon, broccoli, maybe some rice or something, like, you know, that typical meal. But later today, I think I want to actually cook tonight. You know how you get like a craving for something random? There's this like TikTok pasta going around. It's that feta cheese roasted tomato pasta, but I think I want to make something different, like a ricotta pasta, maybe like a stuffed shell kind of thing. I don't know. So I think we're gonna actually cook ourselves tonight. I've been listening to The Office Ladies. Literally, I listen to that thing every single Wednesday. And so what we're making, I got this rice a couple of weeks ago and I just haven't eaten it yet. But cilantro anything with cilantro in it I love. I know that's very debatable. I'm hoping this kind of tastes like Chipotle's maybe. And then we have our salmon. So it's a teriyaki salmon, so I know these two things don't really go together, but this is what I have from Publix. It's so good though. And then we also have some broccoli going up in the microwave, and I'm just gonna kind of toss it all together and make a little like stir fry kind of situation. Okay, so I put like half the broccoli. I don't even know if that's half. And we're gonna use the rest tomorrow. It smells so good. And our rice just got done. I need to let that cool down a little bit. Not that I needed this, but I love making any kind of like sauces or aiolis or stuff to go with whatever I'm eating. I know that's like the bad part to cut out, but I had fun making this and it's so good. So I made this little garlic lemon aioli, dill aioli. It is so good. I'm shook at that I made this. So basically I put like a tablespoon and a half. I didn't really measure anything, but I put some mayo, a little tiny bit, like a teaspoon of garlic, a little dash of Worcestershire sauce, some olive oil, lemon juice. Like I basically squeezed most of that whole lemon, a dash of dill, a dash of parsley, and a dash of garlic salt. And I just mixed all of it together. Sorry if all of that was blurry, but it's just so good. And you can dip literally anything in here, like fries would be good, chicken, literally anything. And I'm just gonna drizzle it like on top of my food. This is what I have, and so I still have rice and broccoli for tomorrow, so I'll probably eat this same lunch. Yeah, and it took like 15 minutes to make all of this. Hey guys, so it is the end of the workday and we are about to go to Publix, and I am so hungry. I think it's because I've been eating like more unhealthy on other days, and today I ate like a lot lighter than what I normally do, if I'm being just completely honest. I had this craving for pasta, like a ricotta cheesy pasta, and I think that's what we're gonna make. It just sounds so good right now. It changed out of my tie-dye set into just like this t-shirt and leggings for while we run to the grocery store. Also, I got kind of hungry a minute ago, and y'all, if you followed me a couple years ago, I ate these every single day. I think it might have even been before YouTube. These are literally so good. They're the Zone Perfect bars, specifically the chocolate chip cookie dough. They're not very healthy for you. Like, they have a ton of sugar, literally 18 grams of sugar, 17 of those are added, and so not super healthy, but they are so good. I ate these every single day for breakfast my junior year. Every single day I ate those on the bus on the way to campus. Okay, y'all, little grocery haul. I just got back from the grocery store, and I think the thing I miss most about living on my own and living in Columbus and having an apartment is just cooking. Like, being in the kitchen is so much fun. So we're gonna make some kind of like crab, shrimp, ricotta cheesy pasta. Not sure exactly where it's going, but also I love ciabatta rolls. I guess that's how you say it. And I want to like toast them with some like garlic butter, maybe put a little cheese on top, toast them in the oven, you know, something. I don't know, they're really big. And then also I got basil to go in the pasta, shallot, the superior member of the onion family, heavy whipping cream, essential for everything. Then also I finally found the Irish cream coffee creamer. I've been looking everywhere for this. Well, not really, but you know, I've heard a lot about it and I've really wanted it. I tasted it literally in the parking lot. I did a little tongue dip. It tastes more like sweet cream, which I'm fine with. It's still good, but I'm like an Irish cream connoisseur. Everywhere I go, I try the Irish cream, whatever they have, but still very good. Then I got this giant thing of ricotta, even though I don't think I'm gonna need all of it, but it got me thinking how I want to make a white pizza. Like, if you've ever been to Mellow Mushroom, their white pizza is so good. So I know there's like much better out there than Mellow Mushroom. But I also got some Italian blend cheese. These are the pasta shells that everyone on TikTok's been using. Also got some lump crab meat, which was kind of expensive. This little bitty thing was like $16. So my family better be thankful. And then I also got some shrimp. So yeah, a little seafood night. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is cut these rolls in half, and then randomly I found this in our fridge. It's new. I don't know who bought this, I guess my mom, but it's garlic butter, and this is all the stuff that I was gonna like mix together and melt and put on this anyway. So we're gonna just put some garlic butter on these and toast them. It's gonna be so good. And maybe on a couple, like some everything but the bagel seasoning. Trader Joe's sells them like that and it's so good. It smells so good. I'm just gonna leave them like this and toast them. So we have the pan heating up, and I'm also throwing out some shrimp. I have like 2 dozen in there because my brother is eating also. And okay, now I'm trying to figure out where to really start. So I have some olive oil, butter, which I guess I didn't need both. I pitifully cut up shallot. I just really didn't put in the effort. And then like a ½ tablespoon of garlic or so. I think I might have just created the best seafood creamy cheesy pasta ever. This is so stinking good. Decided I'm gonna make a blog post tonight so I can upload it the same day as this vlog, and I want to give you like all the details of how I did it because it's kind of confusing of all the measurements, but I will link that blog post down below. Literally, it's so stinking good. It's like the perfect combination of like creamy but also has that like crab seafood shrimpy taste to it, but not too overwhelming. So good. And I added in some cream cheese, so it made it just like incredible. And I just know those are gonna be good. I just have them chilling in here. That food tonight was like restaurant quality pasta. It was so good, and I'm not just saying that. Like, I'm not even, I know it sounds crazy, I'm not like a huge pasta person. I'm more of like a burger, sandwich, and fries kind of gal if I have to choose like something, or like Mexican food, Asian food, but pasta is not normally something I crave. But TikTok has just had me wanting pasta lately, and it was so good. So I need to work on that tonight, like figuring out how much of everything I put in there, because it was like a lot of food. Like, we have so much left over. But as you can see over there, I have a ton of laundry to fold, so I'm probably going to turn on some TV. But I wanted to show y'all something, and to do that, I wanted to have like a light, and I got this for Christmas. And is it just me, or does this, like, I don't know, something about it doesn't look right. I think I put it on wrong, or maybe, I don't know. So I'm trying to like put this together. So as soon as I started talking about that, we had a very unfortunate situation. I kind of like stepped on the back curtain, and the curtain rod, that half on the right, like slipped out and the curtain fell to the ground, and then I had to just go ahead and take the whole rod out, and the nail came out of the wall. It was very dramatic. So we're gonna have to get somebody to hang that back up because it just would not get back in. But that's how my night's going. It was honestly scary because that rod is like extremely heavy. So that could have knocked me out. I look insanely oily right now. I swear I'm not. I guess it's just like my skincare. But guys, something I talk about at the beginning of every single year is my planner and how much I love it from Plum Paper. And I'm so excited because the 3rd year in a row I'm going to be working with them. You guys know I love Plum Paper because it's so personal. Like, you can personalize every aspect of this planner to like the nitty gritty, the size, the wording, everything. I talk about this all the time. I use this in college. I used this last year, even though in 2020 I didn't use a planner as much, I'll be honest. I don't think anyone did because I literally had no plans to write down. But I'm gonna also talk about this again more in the morning because I'm just literally obsessed with it. This is my planner, and like I said, you can personalize everything. Like, I could have put my name on here. I could choose like the size I wanted, the year. I could have put whatever I wanted in that square. I could have made it a circle. Also, I chose this really pretty like reptile black and white print because I told y'all like black and white is like my thing, and I've always done like colorful planners, but when I move I want to have like an aesthetic, and so I thought this would be really pretty just like in my office, and I'll take this to work as well. And I haven't done too much in it. I just got this I think last week or the week before, and I wanted to save it for a video, but I kind of didn't film as much last week. So basically it's just so incredible. You can personalize how you want everything, but I already wrote down a couple things today. So my goals for the month, a note page, which is always important, and then this is the layout. I decided to change out my weekly layout. Normally I do like the hour by hour, but I feel like as I'm getting older, I have like Google Calendar for work that does my hour by hour, and this is going to be more of a personal planner rather than a work planner. And so I am obsessed with how I did this. So I have where I put, like, I designed all the wording that I wanted on here. So we have goals this week, brain dump, which I really loved that because sometimes I just really need to write down random stuff. Workouts, y'all know I've gotten so into working out, so this is where I can keep track of like the days I go work out, what I'm doing, like arms, legs, cardio, whatever. Days of the week, you have your 3 main goals of the day, reminders, and then basically plan out anything else. And then down here, ideas. I wanted it to say ideas because y'all know I like YouTube and everything, so I wanted to have a spot for all of that so I could like jot down any ideas. Also has the month layout, and this is the biggest size that it comes in. You can also get it small and medium. I got 2 inserts to the back, so I just wanted a note sheet because y'all know I love to go to like a coffee shop and like plan out my like schedule for the month and ideas for blog posts and all that stuff. Also got this blog planning insert right here, so you can write the month on there, and then important dates and holidays, priorities, giveaways. Y'all know I love advertising and sponsor notes to do this month. And then I love this down here where it has just like post idea brainstorm, and it looks like little like sticky notes. And then over here I have like a blog schedule. I've really wanted to keep up with this. In the past I've gotten this before I had a blog and I really just didn't keep up with it, but I feel like this month I really am going to do a lot better, or this year I'm going to do a lot better about doing this since I'm actually I actually have a blog now. But yeah, that was one of the things I wanted to share with y'all today. I wanted to share it a couple weeks ago, but like I said, I kind of took the last couple weeks off filming because I had pre-filmed and I've just been busy. But I just cannot wait to like really start using this planner. I'm probably going to talk about it more in my video tomorrow and the rest of the week, because I want to like wake up and actually write down like my goals for the day and priorities and all that, and kind of get myself back in the groove. Like I said, last year I just had no plans and I did nothing, and I kind of felt like I fell apart a little bit. So I feel like when I start prioritizing myself and like my goals of the day, I will be back on it because I'm such a big planner and I've kind of gotten out of that. Guys, I'm feeling so accomplished. So it's 10:30. So this did take me a while, but I put together the recipe for the pasta. So that will be linked down below. Literally, guys, it's so good. I'm so happy we have leftovers. I have been so productive. I just finished editing this video, except for this last little bit, of course. I finished editing the blog post, went ahead and made the thumbnail, and so I just have to upload to YouTube and do all the little admin stuff like in the description box, but we are good to go and I feel so good about it. It's already almost 11. I'm so tired. I was hoping to get to bed by 10 because we're gonna wake up, do our same routine tomorrow. But yeah, thank you for watching. Let me know what I should do next in these vlogs. I don't want them to be repetitive, but yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.